Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to temporarily disable or deactivate your Instagram account. So firstly, open Google and search for deactivate or disable Instagram account. Now tap on the first link, which is how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account. Now log into Instagram account. Tap on login. Now enter your phone number, username or email and then enter your password. Now tap on login. Now tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right. Tap on edit profile. Now scroll down and tap on temporary disable my account. Now select the reason why are you disabling your account. Now re-enter your password to continue. Now tap on temporarily disable account. Tap on yes. Okay, so this is how you can deactivate your account. Thank you for watching this video.